So I recently released a new video with 2 characters speaking to each other in the same scene. It may look complicated, but it's extremely easy. Here's how you do it. The first thing you do is create an image with 2 characters sitting in the same shot. This could be a little tricky. I created both of my characters in Nano Banana, and it took a few iterations and created editing to get it to work. It's very important to have your characters looking at each other in the image. Once I had an image I liked, I then take that image to a different website I haven't mentioned much before, called DZine, spelled DZine. I used to use DZine a lot when I first got started, but I don't really like to use it that much anymore because I don't like the quality it produces. However, it does have a few great features, and one of those great features is to have 2 people speaking to one another. Simply make a new project and then select your image. Now, select Lip Sync. It'll bring up a box over the face of each person in the scene. Select each person's box. Now, it'll open up an editor. In my video editing software, I edited my audio for each person speaking into 2 separate tracks, then exported each one of those tracks. Now, upload each one of those tracks separately into DZine for each one of your speakers. Then, hit generate. That's it. It's literally that simple. DZine will automatically make your characters move as if they were talking to one another. Now, here's a few other things you're going to want to know. 1, it could take a while. My entire 2-minute video took about 2 to 3 hours to process. It does this on the web. You don't have to have your computer open while it's doing this. Also, it could be somewhat pricey. I really don't know how to break down the price. I can just tell you that my 2-minute video cost me about 1,200 credits to produce. Lastly, if you're doing this for the first time, maybe do a short 10-second video to test it out first. There's definitely other ways to make 2 people speaking to one another using AI. However, this has got to be the easiest. Okay, so that's it for this video. As always, I hope you guys got some value out of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!